To drop your glove box, all you're going to do is open it, and then you're just going to take 2 hands, 1 on each side. You're going to push in. You got to push in kind of hard, and that will drop. So if you need to get back in here, you can get back in, see your blower motor, and access to your in-dash filter. And hopefully this helps if you ever need to drop your glove box. To put it back together, you just simply push it back up and it pops back in place. Hopefully this helps, and as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. How to get gas. And there you go. And now it is closed. Hopefully that helps you open and close the hood on your Mitsubishi Mirage. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.